I am Larry Cambram. I am a director of Clim8 Ltd. We are a comprehensive heating, ventilation, air conditioning and refrigeration company. By comprehensive, we do retail, repair, maintenance, procurement. Yeah, we do a lot. So you can depend on us for anything air conditioning, refrigeration, ventilation related. Clim8 started in February 2020, the crux of COVID. Yeah, it was a challenging and exciting experience when companies were not so excited. We were well because we were supporting everything that was happening, because COVID meant you were inside more and everybody inside required air conditioning. So it was challenging and it was exciting. It was nice. The biggest success I would note is that through our existence so far, we have been able to keep our staff and give them bonuses every year. That to me is the biggest success, that the team is solid and growing. We're getting better. All of us are growing. That is the biggest success. That the whole team the company is growing because the team is growing. NBD has played an integral part in our success and our growth. NBD, like all financial institutions, have a lot of requirements, and those requirements have coerced us into becoming more structured and focused and growth-oriented. So yes, NBD has guided us and helped us to grow to where we are and still helping us to where we're heading. Clim8 is able to operate efficiently with minimal contact with the bank because of how NBD products and services support us. We use the night bag services, we use the merchant services as in the physical point of sale terminal as well as the virtual terminal. The virtual terminal is a terminal online where you create your transaction and you send the link to the customers. We've used it for customers overseas who want things done in Dominica. It's amazing. We have credit facilities with them, which is really nice. We have the business credit card. We also have the overdraft facility, which works well for us. Thank you. And well, mobile banking, definitely. You have scheduled transactions. We pay our salaries. We pay our bills, we pay other merchants. It's a full-scale service without having to go to the bank every time. Our interaction in the bank is literally night banks when we come to open that safe. The DAIC Micro Business Games Workshop was a refocus for us, for me and Clim8, because it reminded me that there's a report card for what we're doing, and our report card is the balance sheet. And the grade that matters on that report card is our equity, or your net equity. So it just brought things back into focus and reminded me where we're heading and how we're supposed to look and how we're supposed to show our growth, especially when we want the bank to grow with us. I would tell other business owners that running a business takes your energy, and it is not prudent to use your energy to physically do banking business. National Bank offers the opportunity to do most of your banking outside of the bank. And also they have credit facilities which you can use, because ultimately if you had a vehicle, you would not finish your vehicle if you had the opportunity to use another vehicle. Ultimately, that's what financing is. You get the opportunity to use funding that belongs to somebody else and adds to what you have. Why not use it? For hiring persons that can understand our needs and understand how business is in the country and helping us to build ourselves to be able to get the support that NBD has, I would like to say thank you to NBD for that.